Hey guys, today I'm gonna be playing hide and seek with Average Monkey and a few bozos. Yeah, they're bozos. And he's kneeling. So.
20 seconds.
Guys, he's giving us 20
Any
seconds.
map?
Any map, anywhere, your mom.
I love moms.
Your mom? Your mom? I'm hiding in your mom. Mom. What?
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9.
Guys,
10,
let me tell you this story
Shut
of how the forest map was
up!
made. Queso tripped and he made this huge hole and then trees started growing in it.
Of course.
Oh.
Go,
That
go,
makes
go, go.
sense.
Go. Average, go. Let me in. Let me in. Let me in. Let me in. Close it.
Yeah, I know where you guys are.
Nuh-uh.
Is he coming?
No, close it. Close it.
No, leave this one open. It takes him longer.
Wait, but he doesn't have the key card. Yo, I know the best hiding place.
It's open.
Best hiding place, bro.
We're going all the way to the back.
Can't just tell him. Come on.
No, I'm going to the back of your mom.
Oh, yeah. Definitely.
Alright.
Ian. Flippity skibbity. Why are you hiding?
Is anybody tagged yet?
No, because we're skibbities.
I'm doing a J-Man hiding spot.
I'm the tag. Y'all just like.
Sorry, guys. I had to let one rip.
What's good, bro?
What's up, skibbity? I can't make that.
But the amount of gas you have is gonna lose you the game.
No. I think he sees us. Yo, you can't see us. We're invisible. You can't see us.
Can I put my balls in
Yo,
your nose?
Oh, skibbity toilet.
Someone died, guys.
Oh, he's coming.
Someone died. You're so freaked.
No!
I hate mountains. Mountains is stupid.
Ah.
Guys, I know clowns.
Bro! I'm like...
Venom! No! Dax! Give me my Rizzler! Oh my god! What the skibbity?
Oh my god.
Oh my god! Where is he?
Guys,
Yo, Average! I'm coming for you, Average!
Someone was found and you suck.
I see the monkey! I see the monkey! He's gliding up! He's
Is
gliding
this
up
me
a
and
hollow!
Average left?
No.
Now there's one other kid.
Average!
One
I'm
other
gonna...
worker.
Yo, my glider is not gliding! Yo, bro, my glider's not gliding! This is not
Kill
skibbity!
you.
Did you just skill issue me? What is this, skibbity?
Yeah.
What is
Where are
skibbity?
you?
I'm coming up to you.
What? I don't
He's
even
coming
know.
up.
Is it just me and average?
I fell, but I'm coming back
No.
up.
Goodbye.
Okay, I'm back up.
I'm leaving.
Where is everybody?
Average, I see you.
Hi.
Hey, Average, do you know I can vertical?
Come up then.
I can't.
Oh, crap.
This has to be the worst game of hide and seek I've
Oh, wait,
played.
over here. Maybe we can get up over here.
But wait.
Oh, you little
How do
skibbity.
you get up
Black,
there?
are you fat?
Glider, he used the glider.
No, I'm still alive. I don't know how.
What map are you in?
Are you in basement?
Average is almost the winner.
Average is one.
No, he
Average
doesn't.
wins.
No, he didn't.
Not yet. But
What about the
soon.
red getting
Oh my
cloud?
god.
Wait, are you not even in clouds anymore, Average?
Average win.
Average.
Yeah, what about me?
Oh,
Yeah,
shit.
Oh
if
my
the red getting cloud, go tag him.
Pots.
Average. Average, you in
I
fourth?
win.
I'm
Goodbye, I
exhausted.
left clouds.
Oh,
hurt you.
average, you win.
Who
Average,
even
you
is
win.
black?
Average, you get free V-Bucks.
Right here. There's someone right here. I'm dead, I'm dead.
got him.
Pro average. Pro average.
Average, you win.
Average, one
Let's go.
guy.
You got caught.
Average, I
Alex
see
got
you.
caught.
And you're
That
so
was the
lucky
last
I'm
one.
not good right now because I'm out of
I
lag.
had the perfect spot in freaking mountains, but then this goober had to come over.
I got so Skibbity average one, and he gets free V-Bucks totally. Totally gets 1,000 free V-Bucks from Fortnite.